Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my first Rocksbox for the month of June. I know we're in mid-June now, but I've had a crazy busy week at work and I really didn't have a chance to film. So I'm catching up. I have a lot to share with you, so stay tuned. Look at how fun the box is. Now I do miss their classic like gray with the pink ribbon Rocksbox box, but I think this is so fun for the summertime. And you know, when I got this box, I ripped it open and I had to see what was going on. So I read in the card that it's still 100%, or now it's 100% recyclable, but it's still reusable. So I think they're still gonna reuse these boxes because I think they reused the boxes from before, or at least we did, because we mail our sets back if we don't keep them. So yeah, but now it's just 100% recyclable, so that's nice. Yeah, look at my nails. Are you looking at my nails? Yep, I did it myself. Now this color, I didn't get a chance to show you. I got the Target beauty box and I wanted to change my nail color one night, so I just did it. So I didn't show you the box, but I think the color's so pretty for summer, isn't it? All right, and I had to, I normally wear red. I know, I'm just chatting. You wanna see what's in the box. I normally wear red, but I thought this would be a fun switch up, right? All right, so, I have a pair of earrings in. I'm working on my cup of coffee. I'm still working on my first cup of coffee, so bear with me, okay? It's early. So, okay, these earrings are by Kendra Scott. These came in this box, but I put them in just to show you, so we'll save a little bit of time, right? Although I don't know how much time we'll save if I'm chatting. So these are by, I feel like I haven't been in front of the camera for a long time, so these are by Kendra Scott, and these are the Alex earrings in rose quartz. They're $55. So Kendra, I feel like it's a good price for Kendra Scott, don't you? All right, I think they're so pretty. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna put them back on, because I have another pair of earrings to show you. So I'm gonna put them back on the little cardboard piece so that you can see them a little bit. Look at how cute they are in my ear. So I'm gonna put them back on the cardboard so you can see them a little bit more close up. Oh, yeah, I got stuck in my hair. Okay. I am gonna keep these. I think they're very pretty. And actually, Heather from Hey It's Heather, I believe she has them in a darker or brighter, I should say brighter pink. We both have the same dress from Nordstrom, and the brighter pink that she has matches it perfectly. So I may ask for those too. But look how pretty they are. Aren't they? Look at the pretty pink. I love the stone and I love the gold. I wear a lot of gold, so I think they're so pretty. Yep, so I think I'm gonna keep these, and I think $55 is not bad. I still have my $21 credit for the month of June to spend, and I have some referral credit. So thank you so much if you use my link. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, I think I'm gonna use some of it up on at least two of the pieces. So the second piece I'm gonna show you, I haven't tried on yet, and I'm not sure about. I do like hoops, okay? Now these are by Aster. And these are the Birk Hoops in gold, and so the retail price is $50, but they're the member price is $42. So let me show you. They're a little bit bigger than I normally wear. Here, like Kayla, just show us. See? But I kind of, what's this, like, is it almost like a hammered, is that what you call it? A hammered metal look? Let me know if I'm wrong. I could be wrong. All right, how do I get these off the, there we go. Let's see how they look. And I do like statement earrings. Okay. I gotta look just to make sure I'm putting, hang on. Okay. What do you think? Can't get it hooked. There we go. It's kind of hard to see. They're really big. Yeah, they're kind of hard to see. Oh, not really. I guess you could see them. You know, I gotta learn to put my hair up for these Rocksbox and other jewelry videos. I don't know. What do you think? I like them. I just don't know if I love them. I'll wear them around for a little while. Let me put the other one in so we can see both on. And I have, the last thing I have to share with you is a bracelet. And I love the bracelet. I haven't worn it yet. I've tried it on. I'm keeping the bracelet. I'll show you the bracelet in a second. Let me just put the second pair of earrings in so we, or second earring so I can show you. Oh, this one's kind of flopping out. There we go. What do you think? I mean, they're not bad. I kind of like them, actually. What do you think? Let me know. All right, let me show you the bracelet. Where did I put the bracelet? Okay, so here it is. Isn't that fun? It's kind of like a chain link type of bracelet, and it's one that just kind of slides on your wrist. So sometimes, oops, there we go. Where did I put the price sheet now? I'm losing it. I gotta get through my first cup of coffee. Okay, so this is by SLATE. It's the Camryn Cuff in gold. Retail price is $55, member price is $46. So I think this is really pretty, don't you? So there you go, you can see the opening, you just slide it on. I love it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this one too. I haven't purchased a bracelet in a while, so yeah, this is gonna stay with me. It'll go with a lot too. I like it. Okay, so this was a fun Rocksbox, so I might keep everything. I'm not sure about the hoops, but the more I look at them in the camera, the more I really like them. Let me know what you think, and they're very lightweight. Yeah, they're very lightweight. So, you know, with Rocksbox, if you purchase all 3 pieces, you get a $10 off. Is it $10? Yeah, buy all 3 discount takes off $10. And I have some credit, so I think I'd only pay like $32. Yeah, for the whole box, for all 3. Let me know what you think. I'm leaning towards keeping all 3 pieces. You know I love my jewelry. All right, so thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and you'll be seeing a lot of me because I'm gonna be catching up and sharing some more videos with you. So stay tuned.